So hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sanjeev and this is my team at Your Growth Story, and we are very happy to engage in public to talk to each one of you all. So meet my team. So we're having Ekta. Ekta, say hi.
Hi everyone, I'm so happy and thrilled to be here. Very happy to be a part of Your Growth Story, and I absolutely love and adore this team. And the stuff we've been creating is like super amazing. Thank you.
Super. And we're having Parth. Parth is our social media manager. Parth, say hi.
Yes, hi everyone. Welcome to Your Growth Story, and here we are just sharing our stories with you all.
Super. Sindhuja, our creative head. Sindhuja, say hi.
Hi everybody. Thank you so much for inviting me to this IGTV series, and welcome you all for joining us today. And it's been a very fun-loving experience for me to be on Your Growth Story.
Your visual head, Payal. Payal, say hi.
Hi everybody. First of all, thank you Sindhuja for letting us have this amazing IGTV series. I mean, I think it would have not been possible because of you. And everybody else, welcome to Your Growth Story.
Awesome. And we're having Krishna. Krishna is our content writer. Krishna, say hi.
Hi everyone, welcome to Your Growth Story. I am so grateful to be here.
Superb. So for knowing individual details about each of us, Krishna, the psychology student, Ekta, the oracle, Sindhuja, the doctor, Payal, the blogger, and Parth, the digital media expert, watch the respective IGTV lives is what I would say. And today's group interaction is, I have two questions for my team. The first question that I would like each one of us to answer is, what has been one fun moment in the journey of your growth story?
The months of planning a social media page and trying to make it like all aesthetic and planning all the visuals and the content that will go with it, and suddenly we wake one morning and Dr. Sanjeev's gotten all into and gone ahead and posted, and here Sindhu and me are getting all like, oh my god, what happened to our beautiful social media plan?
Planning execution was going on, and then one fine day I got really excited. I was like, hey, I posted a 9-box karke, matlab 9 random screenshots.
It was the repetition of the same screenshot just to complete a 9-box.
And then she calls me, she's like, I'm quitting Your Growth Story. You don't need me. You're ruining your Instagram. I was like, sorry, I'm deleting it. But then that's the level of, the closeness that we all share. So it was super fun, and I'm so happy that you guys are doing such a lovely job with our Insta handle.
You don't have your whiteboard here. How are you surviving?
Yeah, the whiteboard.
There is something really funny with you and the whiteboards, okay? So yeah.
I think the whiteboard is a natural extension of me.
Wow, भाई वो एक मीटिंग में अगर संजीव ने 4 whiteboard नहीं बनाया तो संजीव feels that the meeting is incomplete. See, look, so whiteboard.
Like target of me. I just have to do it. I just have to circle that, and then I just have to draw these arrow marks and say
agenda and then the day.
I think without doing this, I won't get a good sleep.
Yeah, that's what whenever
It's like, he cannot be satisfied by one whiteboard. He needs like one whiteboard, and then he needs another whiteboard to, differentiate one topic on that whiteboard. And I'm like, yeah, you keep doing that.
But I must tell you, the whiteboards are very helpful.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you, Ekta. I'll tell you what. So yesterday, one of my friends, she wanted to start her own, startup company. So thanks to our experience with Your Growth Story, I was able to do the whole whiteboard thing and be able to talk with her and tell her, okay, so who are your target audience? How do you want to go about it? What's your platform out of which you want to execute your ideas? What's your promotion strategy and all of those things? And she was so impressed with a whiteboard. Okay.
You started drawing, bodies on that one now. I think that were biotical things you were showing us during a course, and I was like, dude, he's drawing a body.
No, I didn't draw a body. I drew a rough approximation of a body. So my physics professor used to do this. He used to draw one rectangle like this, and he used to say, this is a rough approximation of a cow.
No, you did draw a body once, when you
Yes,
were
you
showing us
did,
the stomach and the
I do.
spleen and I don't know what not.
I think now we know. Now we know
Huh.
where your drawing skills are coming from. I truly feel whatever team meets that we have, once in a while, whatever Zoom meetings we are doing to discuss not only about work but also about how everyone is doing, how we should take this whole thing forward. And in every meeting we will come back to point zero. Like, what do we want to create? That is a question we ask. And from there we start taking, and automatically creation start happening. These are small fun moments clustered into the meetings that we do every now and then. So yes.
So far, he does really good stuff. And when a compliment is given to him, he says, yeah, it's a team effort. Yeah, it's a team effort.
Most of the meets we somehow come up with, like today everyone has to tell a lame joke on the meet and one has to sing and all that. So those are fun moments.
Yeah, but Krishna still didn't sing for us.
I was just going to say that.
Yeah.
So one thing you've learned so far from your growth story. What did you learn? One thing you learned.
One thing that I have learned is how to be non-judgmental. And that is I have learned from you guys.
Yeah.
I have something to say. So I really realized that after coming to your growth story, creativity normally, people come, they think creativity has some kind of boundaries, and here in your growth story we realized there is nothing called as boundaries when it came to creativity. We created whatever came into our flows.
So what I want to say, celebrate therapy movement was my favorite. I think so. You asked what was the fun moment. So for me, fun moment was getting these people as brand ambassadors, and people were like doing videos where they were saying I took therapy and I'm proud of it. # celebrate therapy. I think that was a very proud moment that, hey, we are creating some social impact, and that felt really great.
And that actually happened all of a sudden. I think overnight we started celebrate therapy. Like literally
As always overnight. At 3 o'clock, at 4 o'clock.
Funny moment.
3 o'clock,
I remember.
Sanjeev is, he's awake and he's like, hey, listen, I want to do this. And he's like, kal baat karunga, but abhi let's start. But actually, that's a very good thing, Sanjeev. Like, personally, I really feel that it's good.
Okay, so funny moment is I call Sindhuja and I'm like, Sindhuja, 6 o'clock IGTV live or Facebook live is there. We need a graphic. And she's like, how urgent? I tell her, very urgent. She's like, urgent, mildly urgent or bathroom urgent? And I'm like, what is bathroom urgent? It's like bathroom urgent, matlab very, very urgent. Then from then onwards, every time I need a graphic, I would send her, Sindhuja, we need this creative bathroom urgent.
There was a moment when he called me up. He didn't even greet me. There was no hello also in between. It was like bathroom urgent. I was like, what?
Okay, Sindhuja, your turn. One thing you learned in our journey with your growth story. What was that?
I just learned something right now, and that's how to differentiate between urgent matters and non-urgent matters. I'd like to share, apart from jokes, is that the way everyone is coordinating with everyone.
Of the team was something that I think was really priceless for me. And I know that, we've been laughing about this as teamwork and making jokes about it. Just to Parth's point, I think each one over here has like a super solid strength, and how we've been harnessing each person's strength to create something that can contribute to everyone. That for me has been the biggest learning.
Even if it is very small and little, everyone appreciates it so well that it makes so much more sense to like oneself. So
I learned how to deal with people, how to talk to them. I really learned it well. And like what to tell them that, they don't eat my head, like, or what not to tell them, both the ways. And how to carry myself forward. I learned graphics from your growth story. That's where I began. So I learned it from yours. And all my trials go to your growth story. Like everything what I do. It's
We are the
actually a
guinea
trial
pigs,
and
so
error.
what? Are we like the guinea pigs?
The quality of a guinea pig is also good, right? Like I'm giving a good quality to the guinea pigs also, right?
Okay.
No one is going to confront me that why did you do this or anything. So those all things really make it a difference.
Absolutely. I think this is super fun for us to get together as a team and not just talk about upcoming workshops. Of course, we'll do that maybe at the end of the video, but simply to talk about our journey so far, whatever it's been and what it's taught each one of us. So something it taught me was, so I asked you guys one day ki, hey, if I go non-profit, will you all still be there with me? And everybody was like, we'll be there with you and we will create for your growth story even if we are going non-profit for a month. I think that was so heartening because that's the the values that we stand for as an organization. We want to create social impact, we want to empower people, and we want to inspire people. And I think each one of us here is really resonating with that value of your growth story. And I think that is something that's amazing. So what I want to create is I want to create more fun and more engagement with people. And I want to create workshops and videos and content wherein which people can really relate to it and people can laugh at it and people can feel as if it is their story. I want our creations to become more and more relevant and engaging to people. That's my ask. So what's your ask?
Ask for this would be that we, as your growth story has more potential to have more valuable people who can come on this platform and deliver what they have learned. So your growth story can associate a lot of other trainers, mentors, teachers to come here and offer their expertise, offer their skills and whatever course they want to teach.
Course that I create, I would like it to go to a greater sector of people.
I just want your growth story to have every course and everything to be a beautiful contributory course and help them to change their world. So even if a person is able to get out of 1% of their life problems, that's like what your growth story stands for.
What I would really love to see is how can it become a nurturing and empowering platform. We already started with contributory emails, contributory, IGTVs, contributory messages that we are sending out. I think what we're doing as a team is really contributing very well to people.
Contribute to mental peace as much as possible, like as much as we can reach to the population and contribute to each one.
I think definitely mental health is a sector that we are really invested in the sense we want to contribute to people in terms of mental health and making their lives better.
Thank you. That is beautiful.
That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Very good.
That was fun. Thank you everybody who's watching. On 22nd of August, we're having an online bars class for Ekta and Ananya. Ananya is Ekta's daughter. She's amazing. The youth bars facilitator. Everybody's invited. And on the 23rd, we might have this online bars party where we, run our own Access bars. And on the 26th, we're having an Access online foundation class, and everybody's invited. So thank you, everybody. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Team.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.